Hi, I'm Will from Vanimal, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble our new Milwaukee bulkhead racking that accepts the trolley and the toolboxes. So first we're going to assemble our trolley shelf, and for that you need a 6mm Allen key, a PZ2 and the rubber mallet. So we're going to take the main base of the shelf and put that back piece in there. Flip it over, gentle knock for the tenons. Then we're going to take the front piece, line that up there with them holes. Gently tap them into place, making sure you locate. Toe the flush on the top, turn it round, and then these parts you want the recessed hole facing inwards to the shelf. So we'll locate them on the tenons again, gentle tap. Same for the other side, recess facing in. Okay, so that's assembled. Okay, so out of the fitting kit, take our 30mm PZ2 screws into the pre-hot drilled holes. 4 per shelf. So that's our trolley shelf assembled and ready to go. Okay, so now we're going to assemble our toolbox shelf. 3 parts, very simple. Recessed holes facing in, gentle knock onto the tenons. Again, 4 of the 30mm screws in the pre-drilled holes. Okay. So that's our toolbox shelf assembled and ready to fit to the racking. So now we're going to start assembling the rack itself. We're going to take the left hand end panel that faces from your sliding door into the van, with the Vanimal on it. So we put that there. And we're simply going to grab our Allen key bolts into the pre-drilled recessed holes. Just locate it to the pre-drilled hole on the end panel and the back one. And now we're going to take our middle panel with the 2 pre-drilled holes at various heights, with the rough face always in on both panels. Simply locate the bolts. left hand side assembled. So next we're going to fit our pre-assembled toolbox shelf. Now if you have got the trolley set up, you can see what height that wants to go. You obviously don't want it too low, you won't be able to get the trolley out. So we've got holes just above it. So simply locate the Allen key into the pre-drilled hole in the end tunnel. Okay, so that is now our left side assembled. Like I said, you can adjust the height of that shelf. If you want boxes on top of your tool, your trolley, Milwaukee box, you can put them up there, you can put them right up there. It's totally up to you as individuals. So next we're going to assemble the right hand side of the racking, which accepts the toolboxes. You can't put the trolley in the right hand side, it's just the left hand side. So we're going to take the end panel again. For that up there, like I say, it's totally up to you where you put them. There's two sets of holes in this side so that the bolts don't foul on each other. Okay, so now we're going to take our right hand side end panel, put that up to there. That's our bottom one, and like I say, again, totally height adjustable, so I'll choose illustration purposes there. Okay, so that is our bulkhead racking assembled. Okay, so if you purchase our full toolbox version, so our trolley version, you would simply have 4 of these instead of 1 of the trolley. So you simply just fit that instead. Okay,